In the previous video, we covered where to find the necessary files to run Apache on Windows. Now, let's configure the server and get it up and running. First, navigate to the Apache directory you set up earlier. Inside, you'll find various subdirectories and files. Go to the conf directory, which stands for configuration, and locate the file named httpd.conf. Open the httpd.conf file. Search for Apache 24 in this file. This directive sets the server root on your file system. Since I renamed my directory to Apache, I'll update this entry accordingly, changing Apache 24 to Apache in all lowercase. Next, find the entry named ServerName. You'll notice it's preceded by a # hashtag, indicating that this line is commented out. Remove the # to uncomment the line. Change the value from www.example.com to localhost. You can also include a 80 to specify that the server listens on port 80, but since this is the default port, it's not necessary. I'll leave it as localhost. Save your changes by pressing Ctrl+South and close your text editor. Now you're ready to run Apache for the first time. If you're using Windows or later, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Windows PowerShell. While running PowerShell as an admin isn't required for this task, it's a good practice for system operations. Change to your Apache directory in PowerShell, then navigate to the bin subdirectory where Apache's binary files are stored. To start the server, you need to run httpd.exe. In PowerShell, prefix the command with a / to specify the file location. Type /httpd.exe and press enter. If you're using an older version of Windows or prefer the classic command window, you can simply type httpd and press enter. If this is your first time running the software, you might see a Windows security alert pop up. This is normal and indicates that the system is verifying the server's activity. Once Apache is running, open a web browser and type http://localhost into the address bar. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message "It works," confirming that Apache is running properly. The file that displays this message is located in your Apache directory structure. From the root of the Apache installation, navigate to the docs folder. Inside, you'll find a file named index. This is the default file Apache serves when you access localhost.